Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the dollar versus the Swiss franc. Today's date is April 29, 2024. In this video, I'll take a look at that currency pair from a technical perspective. So let's get started. The price action today has been focused a lot on the dollar versus yen as a quote-unquote Bank of Japan intervention sent the price down from over 160 after racing up to that to and through the 160 level, back down to 154.50 before bouncing back high into the 157. So lots of activity there. And of course, this week we do have the FOMC rate decision on Wednesday, followed by the U.S. jobs report on Friday. So there's lots of potential for ups and downs in the major currency pairs this week. But what are the technicals saying for the dollar versus Swiss? And if we take a look at the hourly chart of that currency pair, we're seeing the similar ups and downs that we saw in last week's trading. More specifically, we saw a move to the upside initially that came up to the high of this swing area. This swing area actually comes between 0.9146 up to 0.9156. The high price last week came in at that level, and that took out this 52 high, which is right here, and took out this 51 high. Actually, this is a 53 high or something like that right here. This is a 52 high right here. So the momentum once again faded against this ceiling. Lots of different levels there in play. We're going to need to get above that level, folks, going forward to increase the bullish bias. On the downside, the price fell back below the 100-hour moving average and used that level as resistance here before rotating to the downside. And then the downside actually fell below the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, which stalled the fall not only there, but here and here, more or less, and here, right here. But the momentum then stopped right at the 38.2% retracement of the move up from the April low. That's this low right through here to the high that we saw in the month of April right here. And so, the support level held. It held against Friday low as well. So, there's good support here. There's good resistance up here, up to the 56 level. And we're trading in between the levels. And in between comes the 100-hour moving average at 0.91285. If we get above that level, that would tilt the bias more to the upside. If we stay below that level, then we start to look back down toward our 100-bar moving average and 38.2% retracement. On the top side, if we get above, we're going to be looking toward the 56 level. So it's pretty simple with the ups and downs that we're seeing. The technical levels are holding support. They're holding resistance. We have we're trading near the highs, but those highs have a really solid ceiling up there near the 0.9156 level. By the way, if you go back to the daily chart in this currency pair and take a look at this range right here up to 46, remember the high ceiling that we've seen this month is 56. So we've moved about 10 pips above that old ceiling through here. So if we do get above that level, then we start to look toward the 50% retracement of this longer term range move down from the 2022 high to the low that we saw at the end of December 2023. That 50% comes in at 0.92395, which also happens to correspond roughly with these highs through here and also this high right here. So that's going to be a key target if we're able to get above the 46.56 level and stay above that level. So that's a technical look at the dollar versus Swiss. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.